But it seems we may have the clearest case of the executive defying a direct court order in American history. And it looks like things are only going to get worse. Now, as we've already explained, the ACLU got wind of a Trump plot to massively expand and fast-track deportations without fair legal process. The Alien Enemies Act of 1789 is a controversial law that purports to allow the government to deport foreign nationals during wartime. But Trump has invoked this act to justify deportations during peacetime. And Trump asserts that the act allows him to deport certain immigrants on the grounds that they are members of a Venezuelan gang. Of course, so far all this has happened without any due process whatsoever, meaning that we don't know that any of these people are actually members of a Venezuelan gang. And as long as the president says that they are a member, they can be deported, actually renditioned to a foreign country that they're not even from. And that means that it's possible that even American citizens could get swept up in this whole process. Which is why we spent an entire video going over how terrible all of this is. But the ACLU filed an emergency lawsuit asking a federal judge to stop the renditions. On March 15th, U.S. District Judge James Boasberg issued a 14-day temporary restraining order halting the deportation of over 200 Venezuelan immigrants. The judge even told the government that if the planes were in the air, they needed to turn around. And despite that order, the administration proceeded with the deportations. At a hearing, the DOJ lawyers asserted that Trump had the power to deport immigrants and that he could keep his reasons secret from the court.